Welcome to Sage AP Automation. I understand you use the Sage ERP, which works well for your company. But when it comes to your accounts payable team, you find yourself chasing after approvers, correcting errors, and managing the paper trail. Sage AP Automation is the solution to all your AP woes. Sage AP Automation, powered by Beanworks, connects your entire team from purchase orders to payments with one centralized solution, making your life delightful.
Sage AP Automation is cloud-based, which means access anywhere there is internet and a browser. Your data is only ever one click away. The fundamental structure of Sage AP allows teams to have multiple company accounts payable in a singular view. When logging in, admins will have a quick overview of all the users and how they are performing even for multiple entities. This makes it easy to identify bottlenecks in the AP process. Collaborating with the finance team has never been simpler. Understanding that not all users will need to see everything or perform all tasks, Sage AP Automation gives teams controlled access to the data that each user needs. Sage AP Automation has 3 modules: POs, invoices, and of course, payments. When it comes to getting approvals, it can be difficult to keep track of where each item is in the process. With Sage AP Automation, users can track this information in real time, allowing users to view purchase orders, invoices, and payments pertaining to them and follow their progress. Sage AP Automation takes the guesswork out of obtaining approvals. With Sage AP Automation's robust approval channels, your organization can configure them to fit your internal controls. Whether your approvals are based on GL, department, vendor, or amount, Sage AP Automation has you covered, ensuring approvals are directed to the appropriate approver every time. Our flawless integration connects with your Sage accounting software seamlessly. With the click of a button, your key list information is pulled into Sage AP Automation. Within Sage AP Automation, you can choose to create your purchase orders or complete them in your Sage ERP. Either way, we have you covered. Creating a PO in Sage AP Automation is simple with just the click of a few buttons, allowing POs to be created and have backup and supporting documents added. This module can be configured to fit your organizations with features like your own company logo, billing, and shipping address. You can opt to create POs in Sage AP Automation or within your Sage ERP. Either way, the module offers a full workflow, ensuring they are approved by the right team members. POs available will be matched together, making the management of the AP process simple. If your organization does not use purchase orders, Sage AP Automation has you covered with our invoice module. This invoice module is the core of Sage AP Automation. As soon as invoices are received, they become immediately visible and accessible. The team at Sage AP Automation will take care of the data entry by capturing invoice information including the vendor, invoice number, date, due date, and amount. You simply log in and choose the amount the invoice relates to. Using features like smart coding will further decrease your data entry, remembering the account the invoice was coded to the last time it was received. When an invoice is ready to go for approval, simply click the Submit for Approval button, and it will be routed to the correct person. Most approvers are busy and on the go. With the ability to access Sage AP Automation from any mobile device, they are able to approve invoices on the go. When the invoice is approved, it is simple to push the transaction back into your Sage ERP with our integration tool. You can even export multiple databases in a singular action. Sage AP Automation will know which database to post the invoice to. Simply click Export and Sage AP Automation will push the data back to Sage as an unposted batch. No duplicate data entry or posting is needed. Creating a payment is as simple as clicking Create a Payment. Then, selecting the payment method for the vendor and the amount to be paid. The payment approver will receive a notification that a payment is pending their approval. Signatories will be able to log in and view all the information related to the payment, including the purchase order and invoice. Once the payment has been approved, the funds can be released. When the payment is sent to the vendor, Sage AP Automation will record the transaction in Sage for you through our Sync tool. Currently, when you're running reports in Sage, you only have visibility into already posted invoices. But what about all of those invoices that are still in the workflow and have not yet been posted? Sage AP Automation gives you 360 visibility. You can create reports in both CSV and PDF to make it easy to review vendor spend. We provide your auditors AP invoices, therefore reviewing variances is simple with Sage AP Automation.
Sage AP Automation. We take care of the data entry. We will automate your workflow from POs to payments with a seamless integration to Sage. Manage anywhere in the world with no user fees. Get back to what you love doing most in accounting. We're delighted to handle the rest.